Hello, my name is Lisa and I'm a designer for Coco Daisy, and my Clip Cloppy dog is walking behind me. She always seems to do that when I film videos. But this is my September planner kit. It's just arrived. I've literally just unsealed the tape and I can't wait to see what's inside. I always love this yellow tissue paper. I feel very excited right now. So this is, oh my goodness, what is here for September. Now, I'm a member of the memory keeping, I can never get anything right. I am a member of the memory keeping kit design team. Does that make sense? So I'm the scrapbooking side, not the planner side, but I am a planner and I love my planning, so I get sent this kit as well. It does coordinate beautifully with the August scrapbooking kit. So there is a link below that I will leave for you so you can check out that kit as well. It's called Back Porch. And there's always a note from Christine on the back so you can have a little read about the whole meaning behind the kit and what it actually means and where the ideas have come from. So I'm going to have a look inside, see what's here. I love these bows. There was a talk, there is a Coco Daisy, there's quite a few Coco Daisy communities actually, and there was a discussion recently about bows and how some people love bows, some people really aren't fussed by bows at all. I love bows. I've always loved bows. I like putting them in my hair. I like adding them to my planners. I like just anything with a bow, a top, you name it. If it's got a bow, I will love it. That's better round, isn't it? So are you on the bow team? Do you love bows? Do you get excited by bows? I'm also a Disney fan, so kind of goes hand in hand. I love the whole bow look. So we've got a clip here, and we've also got a cute little bow charm which will look delightful on my planners. We've got, this looks like a post-it note section, and it's, oh, it's the, is that the moon? I thought it was like a log cut through to start with, but actually it's the moon. That's so sweet. I am loving this pen. I love blues and greens. It's a lovely heavy pen. It's a biro and it's a beautiful black ink. I love a pen that feels heavy, so this is ideal for me. Oh, look at the vellum. That's beautiful. It's like the star signs. Die cuts here. I always like it when you can see on the back what they are. We've got feathers, moons, birds. We've got tabs and a few die cuts. These are beautiful. Oh, that's so sweet. A little planner bag with the owl. It's got the Coco Daisy sign. I love this. I am one to take my planner out with me. My husband and I, we both work from home, and we've been finding now the kids are older and we can leave them on their own, that we've actually been going out for coffee mornings, like early morning coffee dates, sneaking out between kind of 7 and 8 in the morning for an hour. And we're both planners, and we both love trip planning, so we quite often have, or I'll take the planner in my bag, and this is ideal. I absolutely love that. It's a really nice size as well. My A5 planner should fit in quite nicely. So let's have a look what's in here. Got a little notepad, which is beautiful. I've got a Simon notepad on my desk at the moment, and I'm nearly run out, so actually I might replace it with that. And look at the September kit. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited. I might actually use my mint planner. Oh, I've actually got it out at the moment. Or maybe I'll use, no, I think I'll go with mint. I think this will be beautiful for mint. Look at the flowers along the side. I love these colours. So we've got the days of the week, which if you watch my videos, I use as my menu planning. And I do quite like the notes on the back. Actually, do you know, I've never thought about it. That would be a really good idea for when I'm planning shopping lists to go with my menu. I don't tend to always use those sides, so that would be nice. We're squirrel fans in our house. We have so many squirrels. Our back garden's surrounded by huge great big trees, so they're always running in and out the trees and around the fences. The planner pages are beautiful. I'm really excited about setting up the planner, and then all the to-do lists on the back there, and there's also like 15-minute pickups, meals, notes and ideas, daily to-do, so they are beautiful. The thing I love about these papers as well is that your ink doesn't go through. Let me just show you. There we go. See what I mean? It's really, really good quality paper. We have got stickers, whoops. We've got these little stickers. Always very handy. I always use the numbers there for my planner pages. I do also use some of the stickers for my scrapbooking as well, my memory keeping, like on my 12 by 12 pages and on my journaling pages as well. And then we've also got the papers. I know a lot of people use these to make dashboards. I don't tend to do that, but I do pop them in with my memory keeping kit, and I do use them for my scrapbooking. That's a nice one. So they don't get wasted. So that is the September planner kit. I think it's beautiful. I am a big fan of this kit. I think it's perfect. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know, are you on Team Bows or not? Let me know, are you a lover of bows? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will be setting up my planner very soon. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye. I just realised I forgot the washi tape. I'll just quickly, it's little moons. Isn't that sweet? A little roll of happy. Thanks for watching. See you soon.